Morning po, teacher. Teacher, narinig mo po ako?
Okay, good morning, GM. Opo, naririnig po kita. Okay, let's wait for your classmate. Okay, good morning grade 1. Ay, grade 3, sorry, grade 1. Okay, kumusta po ang inyong araw ngayon? Okay, so let's
Okay lang po.
okay. Okay po. So kumusta po yung activity natin? Nagawa po ba yung mga pinagawa ni teacher?
Opo.
Opo. Okay, so let's start with our lesson already. So today we will be discussing the harmful effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on humans. So, wait, i-accept ko lang si Luke Angelo. Okay, so pakibasa nga po, what will be our objective, our main goal for this morning? Amy, pakibasa nga po, what will be our learning objective?
By the end of this lesson, learners should be able to explain the harmful effects of important trash disposal and burning household materials on humans.
Okay, so this morning we will be able to explain the harmful effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on humans. So what will be the effect of these activities of human being? So later on, we will be discussing the harmful effect of this one, the improper disposal and burning of waste materials of humans. Okay, so let's have a review first. So yesterday we have discussed the changes that happens to a material when it is burned. So what will happen to a materials when they are burned? Ano daw yung mangyayari sa kanila kapag sinunog natin ang isang bagay?
Will become ashes.
It will become ashes. Okay, very good. So, yes. So, magiging abo po siya. And, of course, it will now create, ano yung kapag nagsunog ka ng isang object, ano yung dalawang lalabas? What is the temperature of the object?
Usok.
Usok, so there is a smoke and the temperature is?
Hot.
Okay,
Hot.
hot. Okay, so that is the two characteristic of bird material. So uh, they are hot when they are burned, and of course they create or they make smoke. Okay? So why do we throw things away? Bakit daw tayo nagtatapon ng mga bagay? Bakit kaya? What is the reason?
Kailangan.
Kailangan. Oh, so what else? Why?
Because it's not needed anymore.
Okay, because it is not. Okay, so it is not needed anymore o kaya broken o kaya sira na yung bagay. Okay, next, number 2 question. So why do some people burn things? Bakit daw tayo nagsusunog ng mga bagay?
Said they don't need it.
Because they don't need it. What else?
It's already broken.
It is already broken. Okay, so these are the reason of why do people burn things. O what else? Ano pa? Aside from they are not needed anymore, what else?
By the use of cooking.
Because they use this one as to cook food. What else?
It's living things in there.
Okay, what else?
Or charcoal.
Oh, to make charcoal. Okay, so number 1 reason is that, of course, for waste disposal. So waste disposal, burning trash or yard waste is a method of getting rid of unwanted materials, especially in rural or undeveloped areas. So, bakit tayo nagsusunog? Of course, to clean our surroundings. Tama yung mga winalisan nila mami at daddy na tuyong dahon o kaya yung mga sanga-sanga na nahulog, they will burn that one. Oh. So that is waste disposal. And number 2, for cooking or for uh, heating. So we burn things to help us make yummy meals like grilled fish or roasted marshmallow, or to cook your rice and your ulam. Next, of course, number 2, to keep us warm. So in cold places, people burn wood to make heat and keep their body warm. And number 3, to clean up trashes or trash. Okay, so some of us or some human beings burn leaves or garbage to get rid of it, para mawala or matanggal. So especially in places without garbage trucks o yung walang tapunan ng basurahan. And of course, for special events such as fireworks and candles are used in birthdays, holidays, and other celebrations. So those are the reason. Or kapag nagka-camping tayo during the Boy Scout. Okay, so ang Boy Scout and Girl Scout month is on October. So on October, they will be your ates and kuyas in grade 4 to grade 6 will be having their night camping. So magka-camping sila, then they will burn woods to keep them warm and to light the surroundings. Okay, so those are the reason bakit tayo nagsusunog. So again, so today we will be discussing the bad effects of throwing trash away in the wrong places and burning things on people. So what will happen to those animals, plants, and humans that are surrounded by this irresponsible throwing of trash and burning of garbage. Okay? So have you heard the term harmful before? Narinig niyo na ba yung ibig sabihin ng harmful?
Opo. Opo.
Okay. So, saan kaya nanggaling yung what is the root word or salitang ugat ng harmful?
Harm.
Okay, from the word harm. So if we say harm, what do we mean if we say harm or harmful?
Nakakasama. Nakakasakit.
Okay, nakakasakit.
Dangerous.
What else? Okay, what else?
Poisonous.
Poisonous.
Can cause damage.
It can cause damage. So let's see. So if we say harm, it translates to Filipino term. It is pinsala, saktan, and sirain. So those are the translation of the word harm. So if we say harmful, pakibasa nga po. Jared, what do we mean if we say harmful? Something that, go.
Hindi ko po makita yung screen.
Bakit nga? Nakikita po ba yung screen?
Opo. Opo.
Bakit nga hindi mo nakita? Wait, sige. Di mo makita? Sige, wait lang. Amy, pakibasa po. Harmful is something that
Harmful is something that causes or is capable of causing harm or injuries.
Ayan, so meaning it is capable of causing or pwede siyang magdulot ng harm or injury. If we say harm, it means when something causes pain, damage, or danger. So that is now the meaning of the word harm. So kapag sinabi nating harmful, pwede siyang magdulot ng mapanganib or negative effect on your part. So let's have an activity. So what will happen if we throw trash in the wrong places and burn household materials? So the part 1 of this activity is you will be observing the pictures showing the effect of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on humans, and describe the harmful effects of improper trash disposal and burning household materials on people's health and safety. So these are your guide questions. So what material is found in the picture? So ano daw yung nakikita nating mga materials found in the picture? Okay, then number 2, what is the material found in the picture? And number 3, what do you think is the harmful effect do you observe in the picture? So are you ready? Ready na po? Okay, so let's start with this picture.
Opo.
So what material is not yung nawawala dyan sa picture? Ano kaya
Trash.
yun? Okay, the trash. Saan natin nakikita yung trash?
Sa kalsada. Sa may kalsada. Kalsada. At the crossing. Matutulog muna ako. Wag ah. Wala ka nang attend. Basta matutulog.
Oh, what do you think will happen, Curry? May I call Curry? What will happen? Ano kayang mangyayari kapag nakakalat yung mga basura sa gitna ng daan?
Dadagain? Dadagain?
Okay, dadagain or magkakaroon ng mga maraming daga. Ano pa? What else?
Magbabaha. Iipihin.
Okay, of course, it will
Magbabaha.
magbabaha or it will now create flood. Or what else?
Iipis.
Okay, iipisin at lalangawin.
Nagbabara sa
And of
kanal.
course, okay,
Nagbabara
magbabara
sa
sa kanal. But of course, okay, very good. So, magbabara siya sa kanal, then it will create flood. Tapos, kapag napakan mo yung maduming tubig, what will happen?
Magiging madumi. Madula.
Magiging madumi. What else? How about the smell of the surroundings, ha? Magkakasakit tayo. Okay, very good. Next picture. Okay, what can you observe on the picture?
Maraming kalat.
Okay, maraming
Basura.
flood. Okay, saan kaya yan? What?
Sa dagat.
Sa dagat. Okay, sa beach. Okay, what will happen kaya kapag madumi yung beach?
Lower
What will be the
mga isda.
Okay, mamamatay po yung mga isda. What else?
Brown yung makasakit. Marami
Magkakasakit. Of course, kapag lalamay ka doon.
Brown yung tubig.
Okay, magiging madumi yung tubig, mamamatay yung mga animals that lives on the water. What else?
Yung mga isda. Likuan. Sa dagat.
Okay, opo. What else?
Madumi na.
Okay, magiging madumi yung ating katubigan. Okay, so,
Mamamatay yung mga isda.
mamamatay yung?
Mga isda.
Okay, mamamatay yung mga isda. Okay, so, yung ibang hayop dyan, pwede nilang makain yung plastic at saka yung mga dumi at of course, yun yung sanhi ng kanilang ikakamatay. And of course, kapag hindi tayo nag-ingat, yung infected na tubig, pag may mga nahalong chemical, pwede tayong malason o kaya pwede tayong magkasakit if that is the case. Kapag pag hindi natin tinapon sa tamang basurahan. So, on this picture, what can you observe?
The boy's tummy hurt.
Ha?
Masakit yung tiyan niya. The
Okay,
boy's
masakit
tummy
yung
hurt.
tiyan niya. So,
Kasi kumain ka ng
so,
madumi na kain.
okay, maduming pagkain or anong nangyari kaya sa pagkain?
Na mold.
Or nakain niya yung napanis or nasira pagkain. So, what will be the effect kapag nakakain ka ng sirang pagkain?
Masakit yan mo. Masakit yung tiyan.
Okay, sasakit po yung tiyan mo. Okay? At pwede ka diyang ma-hospital. Okay? Kaya, dapat tinitingnan natin yung expiration date ng ating mga kinakain. Kapag may masama ng amoy, do not eat that already. Okay? Next. Oh, ano yung ginagawa nila sa basurahan?
Sinusunog.
Okay, sinusunog. O kaya ano kaya nangyari doon sa tao o doon sa bata?
Na-inhale niya yung usok. Nakaupo. Naamoy niya
Okay.
yung usok. Ng
Okay,
apoy.
naamoy niya yung usok at ano yung nangyari nung naamoy niya yung usok?
Naubo.
Okay, siya ay okay? O anong nangyari naman dito sa bata? Ano kaya nangyari sa bata?
Natusok yung paa. Natusok yung paa.
Okay, natusok yung kanyang
Dahil kasi sa tetanus na natusok siya ng anti-tetanus vaccine.
Okay, so natusok siya ng ano kayang nangyari sa pako? Ano nangyari sa pako? Bakit okay, nagkaroon siya or natusok siya ng rusty nail. Okay, or yung kinakalawang na pako. Then pa, siya ay anong ginawa sa kanya?
Tetanus.
Okay, siya ay nagpa-inject ng anti-tetanus. Okay, para hindi ka magkasakit or hindi ma-infect yung paa mo na natusok ng kinakalawang na mga pako or anumang mga bagay. Okay? Next. Okay. So, in this activity that we do, it shows that these changes can be harmful to people's health and safety. So, what bad things can happen to people when we throw our garbage in the wrong places? Ano daw ang mangyayari kapag tinapon natin kung saan-saan yung at hindi natin tinapon sa tamang lagayan yung ating mga basura? What will happen?
Magdadaga.
Okay, magkakaroon ng maraming daga. O what else?
Mag-iibis.
Magkakaroon ng maraming ipis.
Daming ipis.
Ano pa?
Mabaha.
Okay, mababaha. Kasi, saan nila kaya tinapon yung basura? Bakit nagkaroon ng baha?
Magkakasakit.
Okay, nagkakasakit. Saan kaya nila tinapon yung basura nila? Bakit nagkabaha?
Sa kalsada.
Sa kalsada o kaya sa kanal o kaya sa kalsada at yung mga ito, yung at yung mga basurang ito, sila yung bumabara sa lagusan ng tubig, kaya umaapaw yung tubig at nagkakaroon ng baha. So yan yung harmful effect ng pagtatapon ng basura kung saan. Okay, kapag umapaw yung tubig, naapakan mo, may sugat ka, pwede ma-infection yung sugat mo, pwede kang ma-hospital, pwede kang pag lumala to, pwede mong ikamatay. So that is the harmful effect of throwing garbage in wrong places. What else? So pagkakaroon ng daga, maraming daga at malalaking daga kasi at ipis at mga lamok. Dahil ito yung gustong-gusto ng mga daga, cockroaches, and mosquitoes doon sa mga madudumi at saka sa mababaho. Of course, yung paligid natin kapag umapa yung tubig, of course, babaho yung ating paligid. Okay? Okay, so pakibasa nga po ito. Louis. Broken glasses, go.
Broken glasses, plastic bottles and containers, and rusty nails and cans on the road can cause injuries. Eating, eating or cooking rotten food can cause illness like stomachache and infections.
Okay, so broken glasses, o kapag tinapon natin yung mga basag-basag ng mga glasses, kung saan-saan pwede siyang mag-cause ng injury. Pwede mong maapakan or pwedeng may mga makasagi, masugat sila. That is again negative impact of irresponsible disposal of our waste materials. Next, plastic bottles and containers and rusty nails. Of course, it can cause. Okay, yes. Yes po, very good. Okay, and next, eating or cooking rotten food, nasabi na natin yan, can cause illness like stomach ache and infections. Okay, so we always, to check our food lifespan, we always check for the expiration date sa tinapay, sa bread, at sa mga ginagamit natin sa pagluluto. Okay, so we always check the expiration date. Makikita natin yan sa kanyang lagayan. Kapag alam mong expired na yan, of course, do not eat or do not use that one in cooking. Okay? So, what bad things can happen to people when burn materials from home? So, ano daw yung mangyayari kapag nagsusunog-sunog tayo ng mga basura natin sa bahay-bahay, which nasabi to yesterday, uh, bawal sa Baguio City ang pagsusunog ng mga basura. Okay, meron tayong city ordinance and it is also protected by the national law, which is the Republic Act 9003 or the Waste Disposal Management. So pakibasa nga po, Tyrone. Burning leaves, go.
Burning leaves, plastics, or charcoal can cause burns and problem in breathing.
Okay, so when we burn leaves, plastic, especially yung plastic na masakit sa baga o kaya yung mga rubber materials, yung mga gulong, pag na-inhale mo, of course, mauubo ka tapos masakit sa baga kapag na-inhale mo. So magkakaroon ng burn sensation and problem in breathing. Okay, so kapag na-inhale natin yan, uh, araw-araw, of course, manghihina yung baga natin and of course, magkakaroon tayo ng sakit. So that is now the.
Lang natin.
Okay, yes po, makakadami sa ating lungs. Okay, next. What are the harmful effects of throwing away materials and burning them on people's health and safety? Kung ano daw kaya ang so what are the harmful effects of throwing away again materials and burning them on people's health and safety? O ano daw ang harmful effect?
They will
So,
cause serious injuries.
okay, they will cause, okay, cause injuries. What else?
Cause injury in their breathing.
Okay, they can cause difficulties in breathing. What else? O ano pa? Ano pa kaya mangyayari kapag kuwan? Kapag nagtapon tayo at nagsunog tayo ng mga basura natin?
Causing coughing.
Okay, it can cause coughing. What else?
It can it can cause danger.
Okay, it can cause danger to our heart. Okay? So, again, these are now the negative impact or harmful effect of.
Danger to lungs.
Okay, so basahin nga po natin yung mga harmful effects. We have injuries, go.
Injuries, illnesses, burns, difficulty in breathing.
Okay, so these are now the negative or the harmful effect of irresponsible. Pag sinabi natin irresponsible, yung wala kang galang sa environment, tinatapon natin saan-saan yung mga basura natin. So it can cause now the following. So injuries, illnesses, or mga sakit, burns, difficulties in breathing when we burn, of course, materials and waste materials around us. Mas especially kapag may mga toxic or chemical materials yung susunugin natin. Pwedeng makasama yan sa ating katawan or sa ating uh, body. Okay? So, what did we discuss today? Ano yung diniscuss natin ngayon? Yes, Christine.
Harmful effects of burning. About burning things.
Okay,
and
about the
trash.
harmful effect of.
And harm.
Okay, very good. So, okay, sige. So we discuss about the harmful effect of throwing away or the irresponsible throwing of garbages or waste materials anywhere and burning them. Okay? So, if you will be given a chance to make a law, alam niyo yung batas? Okay, what law will you implement to protect our mother nature? Ha? O ano yung
Bawal magsunog ng basura. Do not
okay,
throw
bawal na.
garbage anywhere.
Okay, do not throw garbage anywhere. What else? Bawal magsunog. What else?
Itapon ang basura sa tamang lalagyan.
Okay, very good. Itapon yung basura sa tamang lagayan. Okay, what else?
No vaping or smoking.
Okay, no blazing or smoking. What else?
Basura mo. Yung
Okay,
basura ilalagay po sa pocket.
okay, yung basura mo ilalagay sa pocket. Okay? Paano naman kapag may nakita kang bata na sa school or yung kaklase mo is nilagay niya sa yung kanyang plastic bottle nilagay niya iniwan niya lang sa classroom, ano ang gagawin mo?
Sabihin na itapon. Sabihin
Okay, pagsabihan siya. Paano naman kapag sa labas, halimbawa sa kwan, tinapon niya doon sa Burnham.
Sisitahin. Sisitahin na wag gawin yun ulit. Namatay yung mga isda sa Meron namang isda dun sa Children's Park. Meron. Alam mo yung kuya ko dito ngayon.
Titignan lang ba natin yung basura or anong gagawin natin?
Tatapon po sa
Linisin ang itatapon.
Okay, pupulutin at itatapon. Again, remind ko ulit, kahit na hindi sa atin yung kalat, pag nakita natin yun, pulutin natin para makatulong tayo kay Mother Nature. Okay, naintindihan mo ba?
Papa. Po.
Okay, may katanungan po ba?
Wala pa. Wala po.
Okay, wala po. Okay, so for your activity, notebook, look at the following pictures, name the material in each picture and describe how it changed and explain how it can be bad for people's health and safety. So, titingnan nyo, di-describe nyo yung how it changed and explain mo kung ano yung negative effect or the harmful effect of that activity on people's health and safety. So, i-describe mo. So, name the materials in each picture and explain how it can be bad for people's health and safety. For example, so, ano yung material in the picture?
Knife.
Okay, the
Blade.
knife and the blade. So, what happened to the person in the picture because of the material?
Nasugat.
Okay, so the negative effect of mishandling, kung saan natin nilalagay yung nilaro ng kapatid natin, it can cause wound. Okay, pwede siyang masugat. So, ganun po yung gagawin natin. Opo?
Opo.
Okay, naintindihan po ba yung gagawin natin?
Opo.
Okay, so I will be giving you the remaining time for you to do your activity. Opo?
Sige po.
Sa number 3 notebook, that is your science notebook. Opo?
Opo.
Opo? Okay, so before we end this session, may we open our camera so that I can screenshot for our attendance. Okay. Another one. Sige, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Lang, isa pa. O, isa pa. Wait, okay, saglit.
What are we going to do po?
Wait lang, anak. Okay, so, isa pa. So, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So, on your science notebook, kindly do your activity. I will screenshot and send it to you. Opo?
Opo.
Okay, so see you you will be having your English and Filipino at 10 for Tikay Ma'am step. Opo? Okay, then we will see you. I will see you at 1:30 ulit for our Makabansa. Opo? So, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye, sir.
Bye-bye. See you, Mom. 1:30. Bye, guys.
Okay.
Bye-bye.
Bye, guys. Wala na kayo agad. Aray ko.
Wag muna kahit mag-chat muna tayo.
Guys. Oh my God. What? Bagnay. Sam Clyden. Tapos na ako. Wala na si sir.
Nakamute ko nga eh.
Wala na si sir.
Yan mo yung ano po.
Nice PC. Nice PC you got.
Fun fact, it has 1,250 GB.
Damn. I need to fix. Meow, 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 meow. Meow, meow.